Hello guys, today Sunday, April 27. We need to eat dinner. This is for dinner for today guys. Roasted chicken and we have a pinadini. This is the pinadini guys. It's onion and black pepper and tomatoes. That's the pinadini guys. And vinegar, we put that one. And we have dessert, watermelon. And we have rice, a little bit. And then we are drinks, cranberry with mango. And this is the one guys. This is our drinks. Guys, that's the drinks that we have. I hope guys you enjoy this one for our dinner. This is our dinner. Thank you guys for watching and your support. Thank you so much. Okay guys, let us eat now. Come on.